Students, I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we will do an activity of maths, that is today our topic is addition by regrouping. Okay, so here I have given you a question, that is three numbers I have given you. These all are 5-digit numbers. So we have ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000 places. So how we will add them? We can quickly add them, but how we will add them? By an activity I will teach it you today. So here I have drawn a table with 5 columns and 4 rows. Okay, these are 5 columns, 1 2 3 4 5, and 4 rows, 1 2 3 and 4. So here I am representing ones by this orange color, tens by this yellow color, and hundreds by this green color, and thousands by this blue color, and this 10,000s by this pink color. Okay, so we will see the first number, that is 2 4 6 3 4. How many ones are there? 4 ones. So we will put 4 ones here. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, I have just put 4 ones here. Now how many tens are here? We see 3 tens. So I will put 3 colors here of these shapes. Now we have hundreds, 6 hundreds. That is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So these are 6 only. So how many thousands we have here? Now we will see. Now we will see how many thousands are there. That is 4,000. So I will put 4 colors here of this 4 shapes of this blue color. That is 1 2 3 and this 3 and this 4. Okay, now we have at the 10,000 place 2. So I will just put 2 pink colors here like this. Okay, so now we have fixed our first digit. We have fixed all the digits of first number. So I will move to the second number now. I will keep it little bit down so that I can fix this position as well. Okay, now here I will look at the second number. Now in the second number we have 2 at the ones place. It means I have to fix 2 here, that is 1 and 2. And in tens place we have only 1. So I will put only 1 here. Okay, only 1. Now at the 100 place I have 3. So I will fix 1 2 and 3 here. Now at the 1000 place I have 6. So I will put 6 colors here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now we are coming to this 10,000s, that we have only one number here. So I will put it here. Now we are coming to the ones place. How many ones? We have 6 ones. So I will keep 6 ones here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These are the 6 ones here. Okay, now how many tens we have here? 4 tens. So I will put 4 tens here. 1 2 3 and 4. Now we will look at the 100 place digit of the third number, that is 8. So I will put 8 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now we are coming to the thousands place. We have only 1. So I will put it here. And at 10,000 we have 2. Okay, and these were the leftovers. I will keep it aside so that we don't have any confusion. Okay, I will keep it on the other side. Okay, so now let us start our activity. We will count how many number of ones are there. That is 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So these are 12 ones total. It means this is a 2-digit number. We can't write here 2 digits. So here I will write 2, and 1 I will just give it to the tens place. That will be carried to the tens place. Okay, so now we will count how many tens we have. These are 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are 9. So I will write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. I will just bring one color of this again. So these are 9 within the box. I will just put it and I will just remove it. Now nothing will be carried, so we will count the hundreds places. So these are 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So these are total 17. It means 7 will be there and 1 will be carried to the next place. These are 5 6 and 7. So I will just keep them as not with us, so that there will be no confusion with this. So I will just put it side. Now we will count how many thousands we have. So I think that was 17. So one was carried to here also, so I will just put it here. The green one I will put it here as one was carried to this. So now you can see how many thousands we have. That is 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. These are 12. It means 2 will be there and 1 will be carried to the next. That is, this one will be carried to the next, to the 10,000 place. Okay, so I will just keep them aside so that there will be no confusion. Okay, so now we are coming to the 10,000s place. So we will see how many 10,000s we have. These are 2 3 4 5 6. So these are total 6. So here 1 2 3 4 5 are this, and I will just take 1 also. So students, now we will write these are 2. So here I will write 2. And how many of these were? You already know these were 9. So I will write 9 here. Now next, these were 7. So I will write 7 here. I will remove them. And how many of these? These were 2 only. Now I will see these were 6, as you can see. So these are 6. So I will write 6 here. Okay everyone. So we are getting 6 2 7 9 9 2. So let us do this by hand also, so that we can check our answer is correct or not. Now 6 plus 4 will be 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. And 1 will be carried to here. 1 will be carried here. Now we will see 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 will be 9. So here nothing will be there. So here 8 plus 6 will be 14, 14 plus 3 will be 17. So 1 will be carried to here. 6 plus 4 will be 10, 11 and 12. So we are getting 12 and 1 will be carried to here. So here you can see 2 plus 1 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we are getting here 6 2 7 9 2, and we are also getting the same 6 2 7 9 2. It means what we have done with the activity is correct. We have also verified this also. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you everyone.